ng kwento. Why say about repeating about making fake account on Facebook? You know, Luis Cabales, I say to you, do not repeat many times. How would you say I use your Facebook account? Oh, the real problem anyway, I say to Luis Cabales, that Imbasol Paulo Cruzada is adding you. Or maybe Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, or even Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo, oh, they're the one who responsibility for just adding like what happened to Teacher May, that she has a colon cancer, that she has a stage 3. Oh, Luis Cabales, with all due respect, I'm not here to make a feud. I am here to realize that I just already stopped making fake account in Facebook. Alright? Because it's already in the past. Just move on, Luis Cabales. Do you know when I was told by Jerick Silva? I said before, Luis Cabales. Like I said before, I don't want to criticize. I said, Jerick Silva said to me, wag ka kasi paulit-ulit. Like he said to me, you know that for example, Luis Cabales, I just want to tell you something. I know you're my good friend. I know I understand that. Me, I'm an Islam. You're a Catholic. Oh, we have different religion. But for you, Luis Cabales, not repeated many times. I already said before, I never make fake account. To me, I apologize, Teacher May. I made a fake account. Oh, I harassed her. I bullied her. I didn't realize that Teacher May has colon cancer, stage 3. Oh, I don't want to be happen like what happened to Ate Dina. Oh, I'm the one who make fake account in Facebook. I do realize why was Ate Dina saying why there was in JYS studio. Oh, that was Jerick Silva. Oh, I said it before. It was my fault what I did to Ate Dina. Oh, and it's my fault what I did to Teacher May. Oh, I will never make fake account in Facebook. Oh, I don't want to imitate just like Cedric Mariano for what he did to Kuya Rodelio Daguman in the first place. Oh, Cedric had already stopped making fake account. Oh, that he will learn how to move on. Oh, but for me, I say to Luis Cabales, I say to you, enough about repeating many times. I say again, it's already move on. It's already the past. I'm just saying everything one last time, and I said I never make fake account in Facebook. Oh, I already stopped. Oh, I mean the time what I did to Teacher Vincent, what I did to him last 2021 in pandemic, for what I did to Teacher Gio Malana, what I have done last 2024. Oh, that was the past. Even JD Biniegas, a student of Teacher May, oh, at the time, I apologize JD Biniegas. I will never make fake account in Facebook. And I say to JD Biniegas, we reconcile each other, that he said to me, don't do that again. O JD Biniegas asking me, he wants to give me a PS4 game. O he requested me the PS4 game. O Ghost of Tsushima. I asked Kuya MA to buy a PS4 game. Ghost of Tsushima. O I thanks to Kuya MA, the tour guide. I thanks to JD Biniegas that I got a PS4 game, that Ghost of Tsushima. You know, Luis Cabales, I say again, I know you gave me a Hot Wheels, the GM Nova 66. I just want to thank you for giving me a Hot Wheels in year 2007. But that time, in the real life, I said to Luis Cabales, not repeated many times. We know already. My parents already know. It means, like I said before, alam nila lang lahat. Like I said, they're already know. That time I made fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I was told by Roylan, baka hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, I know, I apologize, Kuya Rodelio. Oh. But Roylan Marlang already reprimand Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he will never say bad words at me. Oh, he will never say PI word. What's that Tagalog word? Putang ina word. So he will never say that. I forgive him. But first of all, Luis Cabales, I say again, one more last thing I could say, I never intentioned that I use your account, your Facebook, that I made lots of fake account. I already stopped of that. You know, the teachers in CDIFI said to me, you know, my mom says to me, wag ka gagawa ng fake account, magbago ka na, like she said to me. You know, you have to change yourself. Just what you realize, don't do that again to those teachers in CDIFI. But I leave them alone. But I say to Luis Cabales, I just want to tell you something. In reality, I know you're my former classmate, you're my friend. Joshua Arroyo was not there in CDIFI. There was Gabriel Narag, there was Ralph Guevara, there was Lawrence Villawan, there was Paula Colin Nunez. There was my arch enemy, Paulo Cruzada, who had you in group chat. I just say again, Luis Cabales, it's already the past. Alright? I apologize, Ate Dina. I apologize, Teacher May. I will never do that again. So, Luis Cabales, do not repeat it again. My parents already know.